Hello, welcome to Marvelous Iran channel. My name is Fatemeh, English and French tour leader in Iran. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel and share it with your friends. Every single Friday and Tuesday, come along with me on a journey through wonders of Marvelous Iran. And today I'm going to show you Motamedi Historical House in Isfahan. This house, which is one of the most famous historical houses in Isfahan, was placed in the list of national monuments of Iran. Motamedi House, also known as Mollabashi House, dates back to the Safavid, Zandi, and Qajar periods. In general, Mollabashi House has four general parts: the outer courtyard, the summer, the courtyard of the Adorned, and the alcove, each of which with stunning and attractive architecture takes you to the heart of the Qajar history. The design of this beautiful house is inspired by the architecture of the Qajar era, and in part of it, elements of the art of Zandi era are fully visible. The building has 2 floors and has a courtyard, 2 working rooms, and 3 independent entrances, and in the west courtyard there is an independent space for the work of Mollabashi and reception of clients. In the house of Mollabashi, you see an Iranian with 9 doors, at the top of which the wooden congress is beautifully stained. The stained glass of this door creates a fantastic atmosphere inside the house when sunlight shines, which refreshes your soul for a moment to sit in and relax. By stepping into the House of Trustees, you will be immersed in the beauty of Iranian art and architecture, and your soul will be filled with peace.